It's been a while since I did a video like this. Hi guys and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's specialty, the Nokia 8910i. A phone deserving of respect. It runs fine, just the body shell, it's kind of horrible. So, let's not waste any more time and get to it. Let me turn it off first. Here you have the little button, take the battery cover off, and the battery itself out, which is the BLD3. Now that I'm going to change the body shell, after this, I'm going to do a presentation of it, because it deserves at least this, you know. Nokia Corporation. I never disassemble one of these. I don't watch tutorials. I do it with my own risk because it's more fun like this. And since I have a new body shell, then another one here. Just come out like this. I'm pretty sure people that know how to disassemble this phone are hitting their face now watching me do this. Okay, this is the vibration motor. And I know there's a general problem with these, that they snap. Mine was already snapped, I did not snap it now. Now let's open it up again. So I'm guessing I have to take these, maybe these are the stoppers. It has a flex cable down there that looks stick to the metal housing. Come on, you're almost out. Okay, now it came out. Okay, almost dropped it. This is the metal clamp. Now you little cable, how are you? Finally it came out. Now what? This thing has to come out. Please tell me the flex cable is good. Wow, what's in this thing? Bro. Okay, there's one part that came out. I'm pushing here and it snapped in half. So this thing is very sensitive, the Nokia logo. Anywho, I have a new one. So now what I do not have is the flex cable. And you, how are you holding in? Okay, managed to unstick it. I believe it also got a bit unsticked when I pulled on it. So this thing is very sensitive, so be careful when you pull it out. That's what she said. I'm sorry. So, and now let me take this spring out. So it goes like this. This more bented part goes to the top part, and this goes inside, down there. Now to get this thing out. So this wheel-like thing goes in here. Where are you still holding, my guy? Is this thing glued? Yeah. Something like that. Well, this is something I kind of don't have, so I have to be careful here. Oh, you see what they did here. Anything removable from here? I think so. Where's the mic? Oh, the microphone is still inside here. Okay, let's get it out. This thing just slides out. Nice. I'm curious to disassemble all of them, but that's kind of it here. Now to the main piece. It has these clamps here, you push them and it throws it out, literally. The antenna, and here are the other two screws. Easy. Okay. This is the display connector. Oh yeah, I didn't check. Did this connector snap or something? It didn't, right? Okay. The display. The body shell. Here's the infrared port. The internal battery. Huh. Well, it says here big Nokia. We have this thing, which is technically a wheel that spins hard. Is it disassemblable? No. Its purpose is to help you not throw it out, you know, when you push the release. So this thing, it stays here in place. Ah, this thing is removable, eh? Ha! Here are the springs. Taking this here, gold, I think. Oh my god, did this spring just bent a little? Is it that sensitive? Yikes. Okay, this is one metal part. Let me show you a different way. This is the other one. The SIM card door. Because that's what I'm doing, I'm taking everything out. Ah, this is why this thing was moving. It should be detachable. Oh no, it's not. Don't pull on this. It's melted here in place. This will remain in one piece, if I can reuse it. Now here, we have the buttons. Take this rubber part off. It's also, it's not glued, good. The old buttons, they don't look that bad. Made of metal, baby. I'm trying not to dent it because it's not that bad. But I want better. What do you have against me? Okay. There we go. So dirty. This thing fell. This is the earpiece and the loudspeaker. 2 in 1. Okay. Now the metal part is empty. This display part should also be removable. It's glued in place. But this Nokia mesh I need to save. I also have to paint just the Nokia logo here. I'll see what I can do with this. The button is also removable here, but I'm not gonna pull it out since I have a new one. Right, so I disassembled it. Now I'm gonna take my trusty telephoto macro and show you each piece individually. Video, and here's the main board or the motherboard. The internal battery made in Japan. The SIM card connector. 27 Mark 2003. Yeah, in this angle it doesn't say, right? But let me tilt it like this. It should say Nokia here. There we go. On this side, display connector. Those are the LEDs for the display. Up. Okay. Now, and these are the connectors for the button parts. Well, these are the buttons board. They work fine, so no need for me to disassemble them. Well, basically to unstick this part. Here are the connectors. Let's look on the earpiece. Is it dirty? It is. The earpiece, sorry, that's the loudspeaker. But look here at the mesh. Oh yeah, that's some nice quality earwax. Yeah. So look at this. This is the bottom port. Here is where the microphone goes. This is the charging port. Here are where the flex cable connects to it. That's the flex cable itself. I want to check the connector to make sure that I didn't snap it when I pulled it, because it was holding in there quite badly. Let's look at the screen a little. Can we see the pixels? Yes, we can. Here are those little squares. You can actually even see the colors a bit. The spring here, it's a bit corroded, but not... Oh no, wait, it's just hardened Vaseline. Okay. Now I'll get to clean this and be right back with assembling it. So don't go anywhere. Well, I cleaned it, and let me try to do what I can for this night. After that I'll continue tomorrow. So I have these new parts here. Maybe I can use them like that. I don't think I can put it the other way around. Here, like right here. All right. Click it in place. Yeah. I'll just shove it in here. Okay. Okay. Let's click this in place. Also put this microphone here. The display, it's an easy to scratch one, so I cleaned it minimalist. Say like that. It should go something like this. Come on, almost in there, dude. Alright, in place. Now for the el microphone, just to sit there. Yeah, exactly like this. You can actually put the new buttons. Here and here. It will stay nicely. Well, yeah, this thing it's a bit of a difference. Yeah, so I will keep the original spring metal. I have to melt this out from both of them and put that there. What else can I assemble? Nothing too much. I can just put this here. Can I? Yeah, I can. What I cannot put together, unfortunately, I see. I don't touch it too much because it may scratch. I'm going to have to put these in and melt them in place. Okay, it clicked. Now you. Seriously, he gave me two left ones. Not a problem, I'll just have to cut this thing off. So they're not the same left and right. Okay, now they have there are two things in here that I'll have to melt. We'll get to that tomorrow. Alright, let me take this. Turn this thing, I have to melt it inside here. Don't know if the camera can pick it up well, but it's in, oops, it's in here. Do something. Okay, and now I only have to push it in here. Okay. They're both pressing nicely. So they're both pressing nicely. Good. One more thing I can do to this. Put its logo on. Yeah, what I did not do on the Nokia logo, give it a spray. Click. Nice. To take these out of the way. I want to try this first and then be back. Oh wow, really now? It fits exactly in here. Not is not sticking to the thing. Okay. Nothing else for me to do then, just to shove it in here and hope for the best. This play is not looking that good, but better than nothing. Presses nicely. Well, here we have a new antenna. That just clicked in there nicely. Okay. Now comes the interesting part. Okay, now let's try this again, and hopefully this time is for the last time. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. This is a big yes. Now, but actually I have to turn it around again so I can put that part easy. Stay. Okay. Now to put this part in. Hoping that this thing still works and I did not damage anything. Okay, there we go. Now, which one looks better? This one? Is it made of metal or plastic? Yeah, it's metal. They both look good. I'll just use this one since it's already assembled. Oh wait, like this, like this. Let's see if it turns on. Heck yeah. Time not set, it felt that good. Well, this was my refurbishing video of the Nokia 8910i. What are your thoughts about this phone? Yeah, next video, presentation, after that, showcaseation. Yeah, so again, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, you know, give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, if you want to watch tutorials and restore phones or whatever you're doing, watch it till the end, and you're responsible for doing it. This is just to give you an idea of what's inside it. Okay, all the best. Bye.